Welcome students, subject mathematics standard 8th. Content part 2, chapter number 17, circle and chord and arc. Points to remember. Keynotes, chord. The segment joining any 2 points on the circle is called a chord of the circle. Point number 2, properties of chord of a circle. Point 1, the perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to its chord bisect the chord. In the figure, if seg OP perpendicular chord AB, then length of AP is equal to length of PB. Point number 2, the segment joining the center of a circle and midpoint of its chord is perpendicular to the chord. In the figure, if point T is the midpoint of the chord, LM of the circle with center P, then sec PT perpendicular chord LM. Arc corresponding to the chord of a circle. In the adjoining figure, sec AB is the chord of the circle with center O. Arc AXB is a minor arc and arc AYB is a major arc. They are called corresponding arcs of chord AB. Now, the properties of the chord of the corresponding arc. The chords corresponding to concurrent arcs are concurrent. Point number 2, in a circle, if two chords are concurrent, then their corresponding minor arc and major arc are concurrent. Concurrent arcs, if measures of the two arcs of a circle are same, then two arcs are concurrent. Practice set 17.2. Question number 1. The diameter PQ and RS of the circle with center C are perpendicular to each other at C. State why are PS and arc SQ are concurrent. Write the other arcs which are concurrent to arc PS. Okay. Answer, PQ is perpendicular to RS. Angle PCS is equal to angle PCQ is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, arc PS is equal to arc QS. We know that if the measures of two arcs of circle are same, then two arcs are concurrent. Therefore, arc PS is concurrent arc QS. Similarly, arc PS is concurrent arc PR concurrent to arc RQ. Question number 2. In the adjoining figure, O is the center of the circle whose diameter is Mn. Measures of some central angles are given in the figure. Hence, find the following. Look at the figure and we will solve the first question. Measurement of angle AOB and measurement of angle COD. Now, Mn is the diameter of the circle with center O. Angle MOA plus angle AOB plus angle BON is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, 100 plus angle AOB plus 35 is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle AOB is equal to 180 minus 100 minus 35, that is equal to 45 degree. Similarly, angle COD is equal to 45 degree. Now question number 2, equal arcs subtend equal angles at the center. Therefore, angle EOB is equal to angle COD is equal to 45 degree. So, arc AB is correspondence arc CD. Question number 3. Corresponding chords of concurrent arcs are concurrent. Arc AB is concurrent arc CD. So, chord AB concurrent chord CD. Thank you.